The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra arrived with a sense of familiarity. At first glance, it closely resembles its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. The design language remains largely unchanged, which might disappoint those hoping for a radical overhaul. One notable change, however, is the removal of Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen. This decision, while potentially cost-saving, feels like a step backward. Samsung seems to be pushing its AI features heavily this time around, though initially they felt more like gimmicky additions than groundbreaking innovations. Samsung equipped the S25 Ultra with Qualcomm's latest and greatest, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Benchmarks confirm its power, showing a 30 to 40% performance increase compared to the previous generation. This translates to a noticeably smoother user experience, especially in demanding apps and games. Samsung also addressed the previous model's overheating issues by incorporating a larger vapor chamber. The result is a cooler running device, even under heavy load. However, it's worth noting that we did experience occasional thermal throttling during extended gaming sessions. Battery life is often a concern with flagship smartphones, but the S25 Ultra aims to alleviate those worries. It packs a 5,000 mAh battery, identical in capacity to its predecessor. The real improvement lies in the efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and software optimizations. In real-world usage, we consistently achieved 5 to 10% longer battery life compared to the S24 Ultra. YouTube streaming tests also yielded positive results, with the S25 Ultra retaining 10% more battery after an hour of playback. Section 4 Camera Upgrades, refining the experience. The camera system on the S25 Ultra receives incremental yet meaningful upgrades. The star of the show is the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. While the other camera hardware remains largely unchanged, Samsung focused on software improvements. Images now exhibit better color accuracy and more natural skin tones. Low-light performance also sees a noticeable improvement, producing brighter and clearer shots in challenging lighting conditions. Samsung introduced a new zoom slider in the camera UI, making it easier to switch between lenses. Videographers will appreciate the addition of log shooting, offering greater flexibility in post-production. AI-powered features like audio eraser and best face have been added, though their usefulness may vary depending on individual preferences. Section 5. Design and display, subtle refinements. Samsung opted for a refined design rather than a complete overhaul. The S25 Ultra feels slightly lighter and more comfortable to hold than its predecessor, despite having a marginally larger display. The 6.9-inch screen now boasts even thinner bezels, maximizing screen real estate. A new anti-reflective coating significantly improves outdoor visibility, making it easier to use the phone in direct sunlight. Samsung's ProScaler AI technology enhances image clarity, ensuring sharp and detailed visuals across all types of content. Section 6 Software and AI, One UI 7 and Intelligent Features. The S25 Ultra ships with Samsung's One UI 7, running on top of Android 15. Samsung promises an impressive 7 years of software updates, ensuring the device remains relevant for years to come. One UI 7 introduces a plethora of AI-powered features, including AI Select, YouTube summarization, and real-time call transcription and translation. While these features are optional, they can be genuinely useful in certain situations. AI Select, for example, intelligently extracts text and images from any app, streamlining workflows. Section 7. Final verdict, a worthy upgrade. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a well-rounded and undeniably powerful smartphone. It excels in several key areas, including performance, battery life, and software support. The refined camera system and subtle design improvements also contribute to a premium user experience. However, the lack of significant innovation and the removal of S Pen Bluetooth functionality might leave some feeling underwhelmed. While the S25 Ultra is a fantastic device overall, it might not be a compelling upgrade for everyone, especially those with an S24 Ultra. Ultimately, the decision comes down to individual needs and priorities. Competitors offer strong alternatives, so careful consideration is advised.